Alright guys, so continuing on with really like refreshing the FJ Cruiser, making it look badass. We are going to be painting the roof rack, the side skirts, or the rocker panels, whatever you want to call them. We are also going to be repainting the bull nose here. And then also too, let me show you first. So the skid plate there is kind of, it's a light rust, but it is rusted out. So I want to like sand it down, try to clean it up a little bit, and then put a nice coat of like Rust-Oleum on there to kind of minimize the rust. And also too, let me turn this fan off so you can hear me. I don't think you're gonna be able to see because there's a glare, but from back here, like just standing back here, you can actually see the skid plate, and you can see all the rust and stuff. So definitely not the best looking thing. Again, I don't think you can see in the camera, but trust me, you can see it. So we're gonna clean all those up, make everything look nice and fresh. Then I got a few extra little things that we're gonna be doing, and then ceramic coating it, and yeah, this thing's gonna be awesome in a few weeks. So but yeah, let's jump into this. Alright, so I decided to take off the front part of the car first, kind of start with that. So you can see, so this is the back side of the nose. Obviously some discoloration, it's obviously faded, and yeah, just like a little bit of rust forming, stuff like that. And then the front, it's not terrible, but it is pretty faded. So definitely just want to make it look good, clean it up. Oh, and it comes off with, there's just 2 bolts on each side that holds it in place. So the skid plate just has 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these little hooks that kind of hold it on as well too. But just so you can see, so yeah, so this really needs to be cleaned up. Again, it's not terrible at all. Just need to make it look a little prettier. So, and then also too, by taking that off, I learned that this basically whole little front section here where the grill is all faded and chipped. So I'm gonna clean that up and be painting that as well too. So yeah, so that's just the front. I'll do the roof next, and then the side skirts. So alright, so got everything cleaned up. I'm going to start sanding all the different parts. I'll start with the front bumper. I'm just going to use 600 grit sandpaper, nothing too crazy. Alright, so I did like my normal prep work, wash it with dish soap, clean it with some degreaser, sand it down, clean it again with degreaser, and then wipe it down with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. So we're going to start the first coat now. Alright guys, so you can see the finished product here. Honestly, it looks awesome. I love the way that this paint lays, this flat color, or even the satin one that they have here. I did the roof in satin. Honestly, it sprays and it lays really nice as long as you don't get a default can. I have had to return a few of those because that's been a huge pain in the ass, but besides that, yeah, looks really good. So And then here's the bull nose or whatever you want to call it. So looks good as well too. So I'm gonna throw these back on the car, and then real quick, I forgot to show you guys the front bumper, kind of how that all kind of came out. So again, came out really nice. So just kind of, like I said, clean the car up, trying to make it look nice, not make it look 12 years old, try to make it look, you know, up to date. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, all right, so rack is off. I sanded it down with just 400, nothing too crazy. So there's a light sanding to it, and again, same stuff that I used actually for the roof. Just gonna use this. I love the way this stuff sprays. It lays nice, it takes well. But yeah, so gonna be coating this whole thing. Probably only 2 coats, it shouldn't need that much, and then we can move on. There you guys go, just so you can see the before and after. So they're just beat up. You got just like, you know, crap all over them. So again, I'm gonna clean them up and then just put like a nice coat of black on it. Again, just making everything look really good and clean. So I know I've been repeating myself, but it's really that simple, just trying to make it all look good. So first off, thanks for staying with me on this this journey as far as kind of making the FJ look badass, in my opinion. But let me show you. So I really love this flat and satin look from that Rust-Oleum paint, and it lasts a really long time. It's just great. The way it sprays is really great. And those side rails look awesome. The rack looks all nice and clean. You know, we got the bull nose, and then that piece underneath that was all rusted is looking fresh as well too. So really appreciate you guys checking out the video. I would highly recommend it. Again, I highly recommend that Rust-Oleum paint. I literally use it for everything. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate it.